Hi guys, welcome to Topper Chef. Today we are going to make classic chicken parmesan. Okay, for our chicken parmesan we are going to need chicken breast. This is fresh mozzarella cheese, onion paste, marinara sauce, some chili if you want to spike it up, garlic sauce, and this is for the breading station. So we're going to bread this, the chicken breast. So egg yolk, flour, and breadcrumbs. Okay, so for this chicken parmigiana, you have to use our breading station. This is our breading station, and the chicken has to be cut in very thin slices. As you can see, this has already been cut in thin slices. So I'm going to mix this flour together. I put some salt and pepper in this. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so this chicken is thinly cut, and so we got to use, so this is my wet hand, and look at this. This is going to be my wet hand, and this is going to be my dry hand, and I put it here, then do it with the dry hand, and this is how you're going to finish all the chicken, all this breast of chicken like that, evenly coated, and then we are going to cook it later. Okay, so for our parmesan chicken, we got our chicken already breadcrumb, and I've got this shallow pan with some oil. So you don't want to deep fry it, just put it like this and brown it on both sides for 3 minutes. It gets nice and golden brown. Okay, 3 minutes on each side. So there you go. Oh my God, that's how you want it, nice and golden brown. Okay, so for our chicken parmesan, we're going to make this sauce, which is the marinara sauce. Now it is a store-bought sauce, so I'm going to spike it up with the way I want to use it. I don't like it very tomatoey, so I'm going to make it with some onion paste. Okay, so cook the onion, and here's my garlic paste also with nice oomph to it, with some nice garlic paste. And to get some kick, I have added 1 jalapeno to it. Let this saute, and then we're going to add our marinara sauce to it. Okay, so now we're going to pour all this marinara sauce in this. More sauce, the better, so it'll be enough to coat the chicken very well. And let it come to a simmer. Salt and pepper, and our marinara sauce is ready. Okay, so I'm going to add some salt to taste, and some fresh pepper to taste too, according to your taste. And then just let it simmer for 5 minutes or 3 minutes till it thickens and reduces, and then when you can use the sauce for the chicken. Okay, our sauce is ready. Now I'm going to assemble this completely. You need to put sauce all the way at the bottom. Okay, and then when you put all this sauce at the bottom, then we're going to put our chicken. Okay, so here you are with the sauce at the bottom, and then I'm going to arrange my chicken. This is my chicken. There you are. Arrange all the chicken like this. Okay, so now I've got this chicken arranged. My oven is hot at 350 degrees. I'm gonna pop it in the oven and let it cook for at least 7 minutes. Okay, so I popped it out of the oven and that was about 8 minutes. Now we're gonna put nice mozzarella cheese on it so it melts and put it in the oven till the cheese melts, and then we are ready to eat this fantastic chicken parmesan. Okay, so our chicken parmesan, the mozzarella cheese has melted properly, so I'm gonna add some more sauce. I like it more saucier. Now if y'all want it more saucier, you can do that. And top it off with some fresh Parmesan cheese and some parsley. Voila, what a wonderful combination. Okay guys, so here's our chicken Parmesan. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Happy cooking!